Tired of piles of washing up? Think Gizmos has the ideal solution with the portable countertop dishwasher. Use it anywhere, anytime, no plumbing necessary. Perfect for mobile homes, camping trips, small homes, or even the office. The Think Gizmos compact dishwasher includes a 7.5-litre water tank attachment. Simply fill with water to use. Or alternatively, use the included adapters to connect direct to your mains water. The dishwasher basket can fit up to 3 place settings of tableware and cutlery, ideal for small families and couples. Featuring 5 different wash cycles, the mini washer is ideal for all your dirty dishes. The cycles include Eco, Normal Clean, Intensive, Quick Wash, and Glass Cleaning. Once the wash cycle is completed, the additional air dry cycle even starts automatically. It also boasts 2 spinning water spray arms for a 300-degree complete cleaning process, and has a cleaning mode for even the toughest of dirt. You can even use the delay wash timer to wash overnight while you're sleeping. Once the dry cycle is complete, the dishwasher will enter preserve mode, which lasts for up to 24 hours, enabling items to be left in the machine until being put away, whilst preventing mildew buildup, damp or bad smells. The dishwasher also includes a drainage hose, which can empty the water directly into your drain, sink, or water bucket for disposal. Think Gizmos' vigorous quality testing means you can be sure your plates and cutlery will be sparkling clean.
The Magic Chef Countertop Dishwasher in white offers full-size power in a compact design. Perfect for those smaller wash loads and limited kitchen space. It's equipped with more modern attributes, such as a durable spray arm and stainless steel interior, a spacious cavity for up to 6 standard place settings, a sturdy dish rack and cup shelf, a silverware basket, user-friendly controls, and a digital display. Likewise, the performance features include 6 fully automatic wash cycles, an advanced drying technology to dry dishes using hygienic air, and an anti-flood water sensor, which detects when the water level is too high, while operating quietly thanks to its noise reduction design. Its convenience amenities include a delayed start feature, which can be programmed between 1 and 24 hours, an automatic detergent and rinse agent dispenser, a folding rack for easier loading and unloading, and an easy clean 3-filter system to keep the unit working flawlessly. When the selected program finishes, the dishwasher automatically shuts off as the end of cycle signal alerts you. Plus, its quick connect adapter kit connects directly to the kitchen faucet and eliminates the need for direct plumbing or permanent installation. So let your kitchen sparkle with hassle-free, squeaky clean dishes by doing away with the burdens of manual dishwashing.